there's Larry. And, there's Rose. There is one of my favorites. She is, a Rhode Island Red. And her name, I just call her my baby. And this one, her name, I forget. So those are all of them. Here is one of my Bantams. His name is Drumstick. And one of my girly girls is Lucy, which is hiding right now. And here are two of my other Bantams. And here are two baby Rhode Island Reds. Their cage isn't finished. We're still adding boxes and stuff. I'm building one right now, but here they are. Hey! Here they are. Don't pick my phone. And there's one more guy I want to show you. He stays around here, so he's out here, around here, and he's gonna be. There he is. There he is.